How to become a Temu delivery writer. The first things first, as you notice on Temu's career specification, they do not actually offer direct delivery from a random person. So what you want to do is just head directly to their official site, and from here you should be able to check out careers with Temu. So this is also uh, in linked or in partnership maybe with Upwork or maybe with LinkedIn. And here, as you can see, the Temu does not offers direct delivery as what I have mentioned earlier. But what you can do instead is to head out directly to maybe UPS, FedEx, or USPS. So these are the services or the delivery companies that Temu has partnership with. So if you apply to one of these delivery carriers right here, then you will be given a chance to have a delivery from Temu. And that's it. That's the way that you can do for you to be able to apply as a delivery writer in Temu.